In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. This is really useful if you're creating presentations, social media graphics, or any design where you want viewers to watch a video without leaving your Canva project. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open the Canva design where you want to place your YouTube video. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with options like elements, uploads, text, and so on. In that same area, find and click on the option labeled Apps. This is where Canva keeps all the extra integrations and tools, including the one we need for embedding videos. After you click on Apps, a search bar will appear at the top of the Apps panel. In that search bar, type the word Embed. You don't need to type a full sentence below, just a single word is enough. Canva will automatically filter the available apps and show you the Embed option. When you see the Embed app appear in the list, go ahead and click on it. This tells Canva that you want to bring content from another platform into your design. In this case, that platform is YouTube. Next, you'll see several options related to embedding, and one of them will be specifically for YouTube. Look for the YouTube Embed option and click on it. This is what connects Canva's Embed feature directly to YouTube content. If you haven't used this YouTube Embed feature in Canva before, you might see a button that says Open. Click on Open to launch the YouTube Embed tool properly. This only takes a moment, and you usually do it once before you start searching for videos inside Canva. Now that the YouTube Embed tool is open, you'll see a search field. In this field, type the title of the YouTube video you want to embed. You can type the full title or a few keywords that identify the video. Give it a second, and Canva will display a list of matching YouTube videos right there inside the app. Browse through the search results until you see the exact video you want. When you find it, simply click on that video. Canva will automatically insert it into your current design. From there, you can resize the video frame, move it around, and position it just like any other element in your layout.